Hi, my name's Katie Skilton. I'm a creative designer here at Sizzix, and today I'm going to be talking to you about cardstock. Now, at Sizzix we have our own range of cardstock. In total you get 80 sheets in a pack and there's 20 different colours, so you get 4 of each colour. Now I just wanted to go through it with you because I get so many questions asking me about what cardstock I use and how I choose the colours, so I thought we'd just go through it today. So obviously I use the Sizzix cardstock and I find that these 20 colours are enough. You know, I add in some white, maybe some cream, but I find that these 20 colours are enough to give me enough for any theme that I'm doing. So I've laid them out here and you can see all the different colours. Actually, I'm just going to pick one up because I just want to explain to you, they're actually linen textured, which means they've got this lovely texture to them. I don't know if you can see that very well, but you get this lovely linen texture, which means it's not totally flat. It just gives your project a really nice finish. It gives it a really kind of professional finish when it's done. Now inside, it's core colours, so inside you'll actually get the coloured cardstock that you've got. You've got no white core there, so that's really good if you're kind of distressing it, sanding it, for the colours. But I wanted to talk to you about how we choose the colours. So I'm just going to move these sheets out the way and I'm going to show you how I work with colours and how I decide what colours are going to go with what. So I've die cut mine all into circles here. So I've just used our circle framelits. I've taken one of the circle framelits, which I'll show you, and I've just die cut one from every colour and pop them onto this ring. So now I've got all the cardstock here, and it means that if I'm deciding colours I can take them off and I can see what goes with what. So if we undo this, I'd really recommend doing this if when you get the cardstock pack, just die cut some. It doesn't have to be even big circles like this, but just die cut some so that you can actually see what colours. So you can see, for some reason I like to keep mine in rainbow order. It's just one of those little quirks that I seem to have. But it gives you the ability to play around with them. Now, let's take, for example, say we're doing summer. So let's pop, let me pop these back. So you want to choose some summer colours. So to me, I would say summer colours are bright, they're vibrant. So maybe I would choose the pink, maybe yellow. No, actually, let's go bright. So I would choose the yellow, I'd have the turquoise, the green. And this is the beauty of it, you can lay them out until you're happy with what you get. So to me that's really summery colours, but equally if I wanted to now say actually let's go autumn, I could take some of the cardstock here and I could start picking up on some of the autumn colours. So I would use this as my autumn colour palette. Again, Christmas, when we're talking Christmas we quite often think reds and greens, so I'd have some reds and greens, maybe some of the brights. I'd definitely have a grey in there. Maybe a blue as well. So to me that would be a Christmas palette. You know, if you're talking about winter, maybe you're looking at kind of doing snow scenes, and so I would look at using the blues and the purples. That to me would, maybe with green, that to me would be a lovely kind of wintry scene. Obviously lots of people ask about men's cards, so you've got lots of colours here to make those masculine cards if you wanted to. So that to me, you know, that works really well with masculine cards. Lots of things, maybe nature. So obviously we do lots of floral dyes and things. So for floral dyes, I would be bringing in all of these greens, and then maybe to add the florals, I would think something like this works really well. I recently did a wedding set like that and that came out really lovely because it was all the florals, the spring florals, and then you've got all the leaves that go together there. So there's lots of different ways you can play around with it, and honestly I get asked this so much. But even if you set them into threes, so you just sit down for a few hours and you play with kind of different colours that complement each other, that go in threes, you can see here that you can choose, where are we? Choose lots of different colours. And they work really well together. I think quite often people don't realise you don't need lots of different colours on a card. You know, just a few colours is enough to make it pop, especially against a white background. But I just wanted to give you that information because I get so many people asking me how I choose my colours and what cardstock I use. So of course, obviously I use the Sizzix Cardstock. It's got this beautiful, as I said, linen texture to it that shows up. It gives that lovely professional finish. It's beautiful to die cut. And equally, the 20 colours are enough. It doesn't overly confuse me. There's enough there to match with pattern papers, my inks that I want. And there's enough there to mix and match to get lots of different looks from just those 20 colours. So I hope this video's helped a little bit. Any questions, as always, please get in touch. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you again soon.